In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an email campaign using Mailchimp. Whether you're a beginner dipping your toes into email marketing or just looking to optimize your workflow, this guide will take you step by step through the process. By the end, you'll have a polished email ready to send to your audience. To get started, the first thing you'll want to do is head over to Mailchimp's website. If you don't have an account already, setting one up is a breeze. Follow their guided setup process, and soon you'll find yourself on the homepage, ready to dive into creating your email campaign. Now that you're logged in, direct your attention to the top navigation menu and look for the Campaigns tab. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear. Select Email Templates from this list. This is where the real fun begins, as you have the opportunity to choose from a variety of pre-designed templates. These templates can save you a lot of time by providing a solid foundation that you can customize to fit your brand and message. Of course, if you're feeling particularly creative, Mailchimp also allows you to start from scratch. This option is fantastic for those who want complete control over their design and content. Regardless of which path you choose, starting with a template or creating your own, you'll then enter the editing phase. Mailchimp's editor is user-friendly, offering various tools to ensure your design is visually appealing and your message effectively communicated. It's important to keep your audience in mind while editing. Think about what will capture their attention and how you want to convey your brand's story. Make use of images, fonts, and colors that are consistent with your brand identity. The layout should be intuitive, and your content should provide value to your readers, encouraging them to take that next step, whether that's clicking a link, making a purchase, or just becoming more engaged with your content. And there you have it. Once you're satisfied with your email template, you're all set. From here, you can go ahead and save your design. Then when you're ready to run your campaign, simply revisit this saved template to perfect it even further or launch it as it is. Designing with Mailchimp's templates not only helps streamline your process, but also ensures your emails look professional and polished. So that's the basic walkthrough of creating an email campaign using Mailchimp. Hopefully you found this video tutorial easy to follow and now feel more confident in navigating Mailchimp's interface. As always, the key to success in email marketing lies in understanding your audience and crafting emails that speak directly to them. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.